Bollinger Bands look like support and resistance, but they are not. Understanding what they actually measure is the key to using them. Two bands sit around a moving average, each 2 standard deviations away. They widen when volatility spikes and tighten when it calms. A dynamic envelope that breathes with price. The middle line is a 20-period moving average. The outer bands add and subtract 2 standard deviations. Sigma captures how wildly prices have recently moved around that average. Touching the upper band is not a sell signal. In a strong uptrend, price walks along the upper band for weeks. It only means price is relatively high compared to its recent range, nothing more. What the bands truly measure is volatility. Wide bands mean aggressive price movement. Narrow bands mean compression. And low volatility periods tend to be followed by sharp expansions, though the timing is never guaranteed. The squeeze is the most valuable pattern the bands produce. When bandwidth drops to a multi-month low, conditions favor a large move. But the bands only signal that volatility is shifting. They never reveal direction. That is why experienced traders pair the squeeze with a momentum indicator like RSI or MACD. The bands show volatility is ready to shift. The momentum tool suggests which way. Neither works reliably alone. Let's practice. On a daily Bitcoin chart, the bands tighten for 3 weeks into the narrowest bandwidth in 6 months. This is a textbook squeeze. Volatility is compressed and the probability of a significant move is rising. Price breaks above the upper band on rising volume, while RSI confirms momentum above 60. The bands expand rapidly. Over the following weeks, price walks the upper band as volatility shifts to the upside. But watch for the head fake. Sometimes the first move out of a squeeze reverses sharply. That is why confirmation matters. Volume and momentum must agree with the breakout before it can be trusted. Remember, Bollinger Bands measure volatility, not direction. The squeeze signals that conditions favor a move, but never where. Always confirm with momentum, volume, and price structure. The bands are a lens, not a signal.